Having the ability to grow food anywhere increases the resiliency of the supply chain for our food. And as we distribute that model, it gives us a degree of certainty in increasingly uncertain times.
You're able to ensure that you're going to have an edible piece of produce coming out of that farm every single week. We are able to maintain our water systems and really utilize a really efficient water system, and where water scarcity is becoming, of course, a huge problem.
Container farming, specifically hyper-local container farming, growing in your own community, providing the food to the people around you that are going to eat it and consume it fresh, has a dramatic impact on the carbon footprint of that food. It can also help supplement people's diets, so they're not eating as much of this processed food.
Operating a farm or working on a farm teaches you problem solving. It teaches you to think about things in a systems perspective and understand sort of cause and effect relationship between components and equipment. And with that, you could do almost anything.